Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going budget and we're talking about the OneOdio studio headphones. The OneOdio studio headphones are massively popular on Amazon with an average rating of 4.5 stars out of 5 from over 20,000 reviews. They come in a wide selection of colors, and the best part is they're also one of the cheapest, and if that's not enough, they're even cheaper on eBay. So I had to find out if 20,000 people could be wrong. Firstly, let's talk about the name. OneOdio, OneOdio. Well, unless the audio actually means something in a different language. I didn't actually look into it, so potentially it could actually be a name. But check out this box, it's very compact. I feel like there's no wasted space in there. Unlike a lot of products nowadays, seems to come with boxes that are just filled with empty space and a bunch of stuff you don't need. So it's nice to see them not actually wasting any space on packaging. Let's not waste time. Before we open it, let's take a look at the box and see what's on there. Right, so it's really simple. So you got a tiny little box here, you got the headphones in the front, 24-month warranty, which is actually really good. You got your barcode at the top there. Marketing key points on this side, you got the power of music on this side, all the specs are here: impedance, frequency range, driver size, that kind of stuff, what it comes with, website, nothing on the bottom. All right, let's open up. Open this, and really simple, it comes in a bag. So the headphones come in this nice little fake leather bag here. It's got the OneOdio logo on there, that's pretty nice. Put that aside. What's left in the box? You just got the user manual, all right, and you got your warranty card there, all right, and you got a bunch of cables and nothing really much in the box now. All right, so we'll open the leatherette bag first. So we'll just open this up, and the headphones are right here. They actually don't take up much space when they're folded, which is actually pretty nice. So you unfold them. They're not bad, to be honest. And cable wise you've got let's take a look. You've got two different types of cables. All right, you've got one with the inline mic, and you just got this this dual cable here where it's got two different headphone sizes. Let's take a closer look. The OneOdio studio headphones features a mainly plastic construction with this imitation leather headband. It doesn't really feel premium, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna break anytime soon either. They're solid enough, and I've tested headphones that feel way more flimsy from mainstream brands. They're foldable and adjustable to fit most head sizes. Comfort-wise, they're okay. Up to a couple of hours and you're fine. The really interesting thing is they come with two audio jacks, one on each ear cup. You got the familiar 3.5mm jack, but also the larger 6.35mm jack as well, found on a lot of audio equipment. The included cable has both sizes, so it acts as an adapter between the two. The headphones also comes with a second cable that includes an inline mic if you want to use it with a phone. You can also plug a second set of headphones into the 3.5mm jack, so it's like having a built-in splitter. Now the sound quality is really impressive at this price point. It's clear with no distortion, and the bass is good without being overpowering. Whether it's music, movies or games, you shouldn't have any problems. Right, what did we learn? These are really highly rated on Amazon for a reason, because they actually are really good headphones. The build quality is not great, but it's not bad either, because at this price point you really can't expect more. They are decently comfortable in your head as well for long periods of time, and the sound quality is probably the best feature of these headphones. I like how versatile they are as well, two different types of headphone jacks, and also the mic can be disconnected, which is really good. So final thoughts, I highly recommend these headphones. I think they're amazing headphones for the price. I don't really think you can do better at this price point, to be honest. If you're into professional audio, you probably shouldn't get one of these, but for everyone else, I don't see any problems at all. Right guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.